Let me start by asking you, Your Excellency, the biggest question that business is asking is why do we have to go for elections, given the fact that in the past experiences, elections have been disruptive to business?
That's an awful question. Why do we have to follow our policies and systems that require elections? We should do away with elections, absolutely. If there are people of that mind, then certainly they don't know what living in a society, organized society, democratic society means. We must have elections. In the normal situation, where there have not been disturbances, elections come once in 5 years. But it will be remembered that our elections of 2008 were judged as having been preceded by violence. The voting itself was not violent, but there were cases of violence. And it was not overall violence as you get in other states. But this was played up so much so that even our friends felt perhaps we should redo the exercise. In other words, organize yourselves, SADC said, and do your elections again. So we are in the GPA to redo our elections. We are on a vehicle that should lead us to elections.
But business doesn't believe so. Business says, well, these 2 years have actually brought stability to the economy and recovery of businesses. So if we go back into an election mode, we are unlikely to see more recovery.
And what does business say we should do? Go on and on and on and on as we are? And for that matter, they think we are united in spirit. No, we are physically united.